Norwegian Cruise Line has one of the widest accommodation selections at sea, making sure your vacation is full of choice, so you find the perfect room for the one perspective that matters most, yours. After all, that's what freestyle cruising is all about. Freedom to take the vacation you want. So if you're looking for a retreat from your routine with a balcony, well, take your pick. Enjoy fantastic views of the ocean from your balcony stateroom or mini suite balcony stateroom with floor-to-ceiling glass doors. Traveling with kids? Freestyle accommodations come in a variety of shapes and sizes, so you can choose whatever best fits your family. With freestyle cruising, there's no such thing as one size fits all. Party of one? No problem. Our studios are the very first staterooms specifically designed and priced for the solo traveler. Get access to the Studio Lounge, which is exclusive to studio guests, your own private spot to relax with friends or meet new ones, get coffee, or make plans for the day. Or if you need a little more room to stretch out and unwind, try a spa suite with complimentary use of the Thermal Spa Suites or a private villa with personal pampering courtesy of your own butler and concierge service. With freestyle accommodations, the choice is yours. No matter what you're looking for or who you're traveling with, we've got the right room for you. When there's truly something for everyone, that's freestyle cruising.